Yeah. Chill.
This bodyguard is making sure his two little sisters stay happy and safe.
What? What is that?
What is it? So, are you gonna let mommy get in the pool? Patch, can mommy get in the pool? But what? No. Patch. Oh, you're gonna bite me? You're gonna bite me? Oh, okay, alright. Alrighty.
As a rescue worker, this dog doesn't allow himself to take a single day off.
Bye.
No one is allowed to approach the baby until they have passed the security check of this bodyguard.
It's okay, that's a dinosaur. It's okay, Mama.
The CPR specialist is on the job, though the technique could use a little polishing.
Try to go in, Emery.
Yeah, Emery, try to go inside.
Go in the pool. Zoe would not let this boy go past them stairs.
Oh my god! Oh, Takshi's just swimming!
The greatest gift isn't having many friends, it's having one who steps forward when you need them most.
Yeah, that her pup.
Can you go check who that is? Thank you. Do your guard dog duties, please. Who is it?
Look at her again. Look at her again.
Nope, I told you that spot was too deep. Come back right now.
Good protector, Icy. Oh. I'm just burping him. I'm not hurting him. He's fine.
Besides protecting the baby, this bodyguard also had to learn how to treat his little angel gently.
I'm not hurting him. I'm not hurting him. Okay.
When the garden has its own security, everything's under control.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Well, that's the first time I've seen a sign that actually matches reality.
Dad, do not go in that water. You don't know what could be in there. It's dangerous. No! No! Why are you swimming away? I'm right here. I need to grab onto something. Dad, stop swimming away. I'm right here.
You do not.
That pup just learned who's in charge of security around here.
She said, I just told you, just knock it off.
Thank you, baby. Where is the guard dog? Where is the guard dog? My giant Hufflepuff. Hi, hi.
Who needs a lifeguard chair when you've got a four-legged lifeguard on duty?
Oh, heck no.
What's in both practice? What the fuck?
Excuse me, but that tone isn't for my human.
He is crying. Chris, he's literally crying. Let him catch you and save you. Chris, let him save you. He's crying. All right, good boy.
All right, we all know this. If a stranger shows up with bad intentions, the dog is usually the first to react.
You don't want this to stay still for a long period of time.
Paco, that's my kid.
Want to get close to the kids? You'll have to get past the head of security first.
So I walk into the room and I see this. What's this? What we got? We got a social going on here? What's this? Lana. Hey. So, hey, can I get through there? No? Can I go through here? No? Okay, all right. That's how y'all roll, huh? Uh-oh.
Call Lexi, say. Those big old rocks.
Getting cold, this dog already has a solution.
Think it's ours. Watch. Hello, baby. Look at him. Look at him. Move. I can speak to my child. Hi, baby. Hi, mommy, baby.
How many treats does it take to hire a 24/7 personal guard like this?
Classic.
Nothing, Dingo?
Can I pee in private? Do you have to protect me while I go potty every time? Lay down.
The biggest hearts often come in the biggest bodies.
This is my baby.
Sasha, can he come in? Thank you.
All right, say the password if you want to get through this security checkpoint.
You is crazy.
Okay, aus.
Thanks for watching our video all the way through. We hope it brought you some relaxation and joy. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified whenever we post something new. See you in the next one.